How to link pages in Webflow. Quick and easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to link pages on your Webflow website. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your webflow.com, and this is where you have to open up your Webflow editor. This is a test website that I have for the channel, and today I'll show you how to add link for other pages on your website. For that, first we will choose a blank section. So I'm going to add right here. Click on this plus button and it will show you the different blocks that you can add to your website. So we have a button, we have text link or a link block as well. So I will be going for a text link, let's say. So the text link will be added right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take it down. So right here. Now, this is a text link. I can add this text to any of my articles, to any of my reviews, and this text, like a simple word, will have a link to another page of my website. So we can add a simple link right here, but we're going to switch to the page option given in the link settings. In page, choose a page of your website, home, categories, about, or contact. These are pages on my website. So I will be adding about right here. So now it has selected a page of my website for which I want to add the link for. So you can see right here we have our link ready, and now we can place our text anywhere we want to inside an article or just right here. Or you can say click here, customize the text from all of these different settings. Once you have selected the page of your website, click on save and your link will be added, your page link will be added on your Webflow website. It's really easy, and you can also add a button if you want. Just select the page and you will be able to add a page link. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.